Hello, my friends. All right, here we go. Everything looking good? All right, getting into some plugin dev. Oh, Zoe waited till I went live to come sit on me. Very cool. Okay. Okay, so where are we with this plugin? I think we were just working on the GUI. Let's build the standalone and see what we got here. I think we had the gain, the buttons for the gain. The high pass and low pass dials were there. First build always takes forever. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. We've got our input, low pass, and high pass. And I think these buttons work correctly. Very nice. Okay, so we've got the input, low pass, high pass. Let's take a look at that little max prototype that I made, because I completely forgot. This is in, what is this called? Viator utility. Zoe is eating my sweatshirt. Very rude. Okay, yeah, and then I'm gonna have a phase flip, and then a phase, like a variable phase. The phase flip will be a really easy, oh, you know what I might do? I might have the phase flip just actually move the dial to 180 degrees for you. Or maybe not, because sometimes in JUCE, I don't know about all DAWs, but in Logic, whenever you have one parameter control another, like in the value tree, Logic doesn't like it and it will not pass validation. So what I might do, yeah, I think I will just put both of them. So I'll have a phase flip and then I'll have a variable phase. And then we'll have a width. This will be for the mono bass, and then we'll have a texture, so like our console emulation. Max doesn't really seem to be affecting the CPU at all. The only thing that slows down the video feed seems to be the actual build in Xcode. So I'll just leave that up. And we are gonna make a dial and a button. And I already have a phase button pretty much pre-made, so let's see what we got here. This is gonna be phase dial. And then we're gonna have a another one. It'll be toggle. Okay. Very good. Where am I putting this? UI constructor. No, it's in this one. Okay. Phase dial. Okay, so this is gonna be degrees. I don't. Oh, can I put a degree symbol in the text? I don't know. We'll see. It goes from 0 to 2 pi. So I'm gonna truncate this a lot, but I think in the DSP I'm gonna map it back to the correct, the actual, like, a longer decimal place, like maybe to 17 places or something crazy like that. Double interval value, I don't know, 0.01. And then return value to 0, I guess. Okay. Oh, we're also gonna need a label. So with the phase dial. LV label. Cool. So UI constructor. What am I gonna need? I think just add and make visible. Phase dial. Okay. So phase toggle. Set toggle style, I think I called it. Yep. LV toggle. Toggle style, and then it's gonna be phase. Yep. And then phase toggle. Oh, just add and make visible, I guess. Phase toggle. Okay, and then let's put them somewhere on the window. So we're gonna base it off of the input dial. So this is gonna be input dial that get X and its width. And we might need to add something to that, but I guess we'll see. Oh. Okay. And then the phase toggle is just going to be under it. X. That's a very good question. Let's do something, just something to start with. So that's me naively thinking that's going to put it halfway between the edges of the dial. And then we're going to need to do something with this. Oh, what's up, Rambo? What is it? Sweets. That's a pretty sick name, I'm not gonna lie. We need something to base the toggles off of. Let's do get width and then multiply it by, I don't even know, just do 0.1 for now, and then we can change the number later. Toggle size. Okay. Already have a toggle size? Oh. Well then. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay. That's not too terrible. Okay. So that means the dial needs to come over by more, so I don't know. 1.5. And it needs to come over that way. What time is it where you are, Rambo Sweets? Okay, we're getting there. Okay, needs to come over maybe 0.3. Really just going to be typing in numbers until it goes to the middle. Oh, that's good enough for now. You know what I think I'll do? Kind of don't like the outer ring. Okay, let's see. We'll go into a style sheet. Where's the button? Draw label, draw rotary slider, draw label, linear slider. Label, toggle button. Oh, okay. I think this is it. Oh, wrong one. Path, button. Oh, is it this? Oh yeah, that was it. Okay. I'm gonna leave that commented out because I don't know if I want that later or not. And then let's do the label. By constructor. Set. Wait. Oh, right there. Phase. Don't send notification. And then we need to do add and make visible. Oh, and then we also need to attach the component, of course. Attach the component. Gonna be phase dial. False. Okay. So what would happen? Like an editor. Could I get a degree symbol in there? To type the degree symbol, Mac Shift Option 8. Is that gonna work? Is that actually? I think the real question is that gonna translate to Windows? Oh, it's already telling me it's not a valid string. Oh, and that's probably the reason why they put this assert in here, because it won't necessarily work in every compiler. JUCE has a handy string literal generator utility that will convert any Unicode string to a valid C++ string literal, creating ASCII. And I think I've looked at this before. It's in here somewhere. It's in the ProJuicer, I think. I think it's like a text box that you just write text in, and then it'll just spit out the code for you. Where is it? Is it modules? Oh, is it a module? I really like how this doesn't actually tell you like where it is or anything like that. And I know I've done it. There's gotta be. Yeah, I might have to ask in the Discord. That's what I did last time. Can't for the life of me remember. I don't think release is any different from debug. Or is it? No, it looks like the same stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, wait, is it in here? Oh, wait. Yep, there it is. Type any string. Okay. Shift option 8. Is that what it was? Okay. So then the question is, how do I put that in here? Is it like this? Huh. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. This is gonna be between, okay. This is gonna be between 0 and 100 and 360. And then it's gonna move by 1. And then what I'll do is I'll make a mapping, maybe just an if statement, that whenever it's at 180, it'll flip. I don't know what the best way to do this is. I like the idea of having a button and the dial, because like you could use the dial to get some fine tuning, and at 180 degrees it won't actually be a perfect flip, because 180 degrees is pi, so it's not like, you know, you can do 17 decimal places, but it's not going to be enough. So yeah, but then people are going to be mad when they're like, oh, it's on 180 degrees and it's not perfectly inverted. Well, yeah. And the other bad thing is, if there's an attachment on both of these, so a dial, a slider attachment, and a button attachment, if I try to say whenever this dial is at 180, turn this on, Logic's not gonna like it. But whatever, this is just the UI. Yep, whatever. Let's just move on. We're gonna have width and crossover. So this is gonna be the Monobase. So let's do. It's actually gonna be a dial and a fader. Okay. Not sure how to get this button on the on that fader. Oh, widgets, I need the fader. Okay, and then that will stop complaining, hopefully. Okay. So construct the Monobase dial. This is going to be width. So percentage is going to go from 0 to 100, I guess. Okay, and then we're gonna have the Monobase crossover, and this is gonna be hertz. It's gonna be, I don't know, what, 20 to 250, I think. Or wait. Yeah, 20 to 250. Okay. Interval value, we're gonna move by 1. That's 250 to start. Oh, you know what? The LV fader doesn't work horizontal. Oh, yes it does. I think I added that. I guess we're gonna find out. So structure. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do add and make visible for the Monobase dial with it's gonna be the crossover that needs a couple of extra things. So set slider style. Slider style. Linear horizontal. And that might be it. So we're going to do the Monobase dial.set bounds to place it somewhere. That is going to be under the phase button. So it's going to be on the same. It's going to need to go under the filters. So the low pass and the high pass. Now I forget which one's where. Okay, apparently the low pass is the second one. So low pass. And it's gonna be. Oh wait. Oh wait, no. The X position is gonna be the phase dial. The Y position is gonna be the low pass. And then dial size. And let's do the labels. So Monobase style label. Set text. Oh yeah, and attach the component. Let's try that. Okay, so I think I need to lower the low pass and high pass a little bit. Let's see, resize the. Oh, so I just need to make dial space a little bigger. Oh, I don't know, 0.7. That was too much. Well, not if I make the top margin a little smaller. What am I looking for again? Dial space. Okay, that works for now. Base width. Okay, let's see if the fader looks right while it's horizontal. So did we already put it in there? Yes, okay. So we just need to do resize. So let's do the X position. That's not 100% sure what I should do, so I'll just do that. We'll do and then the fader. I could just do the same size, I think. Okay. Why? Oh, that was dial space, not dial size. It looks like my fader isn't fixed. Doing the opposite of what I want. I can put it a little closer to the dial. Let's see. Okay. Oh, but look how far away the text box is. Oh yes, we're good. That's really annoying, but let's go into the style sheet and see what our options are. Okay, so this is the fader. What does that do? Okay, there we go. That's way too big. I don't know, make them both 3, see what that looks like. Oh, but that's gonna be a square, is it? Yeah, it's gonna be a square. So we need a rectangle. So height divided by 4 and the width divided by, I don't know, 8, right? I mean, it's still too tiny. Okay, better, but I want to make it, I don't know, is that big enough? Also, where is the text box drawn in here? I don't really see it. Track width. I think this can make the track a little wider. Let's see what that looks like. No, it didn't. There must be a separate, draw text box. Okay, so let's see if we can dig into this and find it. If I go to, let's see, GUI basics probably. We got buttons, widgets, slider. See, there's got to be a draw text box. No? Only 10 draws. Oh, it might be in look and feel. Look and feel, let's see. Text box. Create slider text box. Okay. Oh, that's label. Oh. No, this is probably it. Create slider text box. Okay. Okay, here we go. No, this doesn't really look like much. Create slider text box. Okay, wait a minute. Slider. Text box below. Well, that's gotta be in there somewhere. What? You're telling me this enum isn't used? Set text box style. Yeah, I don't really. This is what I want. Text box position, wherever that happens. Okay. I don't see anything that looks like it's actually drawing the text box. Oh wait. Oh, it's the increment decrement buttons on that. Wait, so where's the text box actually? Use the knit. Here's a knit. But this doesn't really look like it's actually drawing the text box. Am I just stupid? Like, text entry. This looks like this is all related to the what's it called? The increment decrement button mode of the slider. There's got to be, if I go back into look and feel. Was that the only text box thing? What if it's not in maybe they're using an older look and feel for the text box. Okay, maybe not. Okay, create slider text box. Nothing about setting the... Okay, I must be stupid. Yeah. Get text box position. Oh, that's just... Okay, well, we have this set text box style. And it sets a position. What is that first argument? A text entry box position. Let's see. Oh, that's just the regular enums that we have. Where is that defined? There's got to be a if text box below set bounds to this. Actually, hold up. Let's do a search all. There's only a couple. Ooh, this is looking good right here. Well, folks, I think we found it. But where is this actually inside of? It's in look and feel v2. So I don't think you could. Can you inherit from or use two different look and feels at the same time? Yeah, I don't know. I might just change it in here. But I'm gonna take a bathroom break real quick, and I'm gonna switch over to my really cool pause screen. And I'm back. Did this work? It looks like it worked. Cool. Okay, so what are our options here? I want to put it closer to the slider. Okay, so text box below. Set Y, get height. Oh yeah, that's the issue. It's gonna move it for everybody. That's okay, I think, if I get it into a spot I like, but it looks like it did the opposite of what I wanted. So maybe times 2 instead of divided by 2. Whoa. Okay, let's do 1.5. The stream deck is really handy when Zoe is sitting on me and she refuses to move. Yep, she's eating my jacket again. She just got some of my skin. That's pretty cool. Okay. 2.5. How about that? Man, it's still way too far. And you know what? Well, now that I see, what was this before I started messing with it? Okay, nothing. So it's taking the height and subtracting the text box height from it, which means the larger the text box is, the closer it will be to the slider. But what if I make the slider height really small? Like, if I go back to the fader, which is this, and I make the height with height, so I don't know, I'm just gonna do something like 10 and see what happens. I'm gonna see what the smallest number I can use to get the maximum slider height is. Okay. Let me just do 128. Okay. Can we go smaller? It is better, but actually, you know what? Wait, am I thinking about this wrong? I think I confused myself. Okay, so the label is in or the text box is in a decent spot. Let's move it out of the way of the Monobase dial, at least a little bit. And then let me go back into the style sheet and say, this. So the height needs to be height times 3. Let's see if that does what I think it does. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. That's interesting. I kind of like it. But yeah, it's gonna get in the way. Okay, whatever. Go back to that. Go back to making it a normal size. Make sure it looks correct. Whatever. Okay. Oh, you know what? UI wise, I mean, I'm stupid. Okay. It might be better to do a regular linear up and down and just put it on like this side of the dial. Yeah. I think that's the best way to go. So we need to make sure that this stuff in the style sheet is right. So the width. Let's see what that does. I know the position is going to be real janked, but that's weird. Width divided by 3, height divided by 6. Okay, that's good enough for now. So let's just put it where it needs to go. The X position is going to be this plus base dial dot get width, and then the Y position, take out this plus width thing. I think that's all we need to do. We might need to space that out a little bit, but that's the general logic. Yeah, it's a little too far away, but yeah, it'd be really cool so that we know that these are tied together. There's a couple different ways we can lay out the UI. We can make little panels that they sit on top of so that it's an obvious grouping. We can put a little border around them to make sure you know they're grouped. or we can use a kind of realistic background that'll have division lines, but we can also put little lines on it the way like if I just pull up like a Neve channel strip, Shelford channel, image. Just stuff like that. Those little lines that are like connecting the dial to the button. Just stuff like that. There's some other pieces of hardware that have a better example of what I'm talking about, but that's the general idea. So yeah, we could put some kind of line or something. Having them sit on top of little panels would be really cool. I could make a panel in Illustrator that has a drop shadow maybe, and just like stick it in there. And then the last thing we're gonna have is a drive with like a menu, right? Or it could be so it could be a dial, and then it could have 3 little buttons right here for like console type, little radio button. So let's just we know there's going to be a dial at least, so let's do that. Did I say I was going to call it texture? I think I did. Texture dial. Okay. So we can do, let's see, we got to construct it. It's going to be dB. I guess we'll make it 0 to 10 for drive. And then let's see, UI constructor. And then we're going to put it somewhere, which is going to be texture stuff. And let's see, texture dial. Set bounds. Let's see, it's going to be on the same x-axis as the phase dial. The y is going to be this. And then, of course, the dial size. Oh, let's not forget we need a label. Oops. Don't send notification, of course. Oh, label. Attach the component. That's going to be the texture dial. False, of course. I think that's it. Oh, you know what I could do? Resized. It's gonna be the same height as the dial on the left of it, which is the high pass, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay, so the thing is, it might be really nice to have an output gain control. Okay, so the texture is going to be super subtle, so I think it's going to be easy to compensate the gain and have it like sound like it's a perfect like one-to-one, like, you know, gain compensation. The bass width might have a volume issue, and it might be a little more tricky to get the compensation right, but I think it's going to be possible. Although, okay, so none of these controls or DSP modules are going to be affected by having more input pushed into them except for the texture. Yeah, I'm going to make a output, but I guess I'm going to make it a little fader, kind of like this. Put it next to it. But then the other thing is I'm gonna have the buttons. Maybe I won't worry about it at the moment. And then maybe I'll have to look at some other pieces of hardware and some other software and get a little bit more inspiration for the layout of this UI. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Now that all of these... This is really obvious how the layout is done. So even if I scratch all of this and redo it, it won't be too difficult. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get some inspiration from some other software, but I think it'll be cool. I think I do want to use that background that's in the... Let's see, hold up. I'm gonna go to my template one because I know that one has it. Source assets. Is it this one? Yeah, so I kind of want to use this, where it kind of looks like a weathered and used background. I have these lines are really subtle, but I have the Photoshop file. I had went in and made them even have even less of an alpha, so they're pretty see-through. So I think I just need to go back and undo what I did. But I think I'm going to use that. And so what I want to do is come up with a cool arrangement and then make the lines, these little division lines, fit accordingly. So I might just look at some other software and draw out a UI and then lay it out on top. And then when I have them in the positions that I want on the blank screen, I can come over, go into Photoshop, move these lines around, and then just kind of plop it on top of the the controls that I made, and it should work out. We can start working on the DSP. I think it'll be pretty simple for the first 3. I know I can get the gain done at least right now. Do I already have, yeah, I already have the parameter tree and stuff set up. Yeah, I already have all that set up. Okay, so I can just make an attachment. And that'll be something good to put in my little code snippets for my stream deck. Okay, so let's okay, I'm gonna go into another project. Open recent. Pretty sure these have. Oh no, I don't think they have attachments because I didn't really go that far with it. The phone does. Structure. Oh wait, I think these. Hold up, did I end up putting? Oh yeah. See, they're inside of the component. I'm not doing it like that anymore. I'll just go into here and pull it out. This. Oh, this is what I want. Okay, so okay, I'll put all of this in the stream deck thing. This is gonna be for the header. So let's see. Stream deck. Already on that screen. So this is system, and then it's just text. So attach be the header, or I want it to look nice on the button. I guess that's good. Do I still have that black square? Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, okay. Let's see what happens whenever I press that button. See if I need to format it. Perfect. And then all I'm gonna do is probably just put this at the top. And we'll say input gain dial, and then attach. Cool. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do that for. Oh, let's just start with the first one. I don't know if I'm gonna finish before 7:30, so let's just start with that one. I'm gonna pull the actual attachment for the CPP side of it, and put that in the stream deck. Okay, another text gonna be, say, attach C. Okay. And then let's go here. Let's go into the UI methods. What am I doing? The constructor. Okay. Well, the input dial. Okay. I'm gonna move that up. And then this is gonna be input gain dial attach. I need to have a parameter. Oh, this is going to be another thing I could put in there that I use all the time. In the plugin processor, we have these defines. Yep. Let's just take this drive one. What am I doing? Code snippets. Okay. Text. I'm feeling right there for some reason. It's always all up in my way. Fine. This little thing here. Awesome. Input. And you guessed it. Input. Capital. Oh, that's a T. Okay. So now, go back into here. Audio processor dot tree state. This is input ID, and then the dial. Okay, that should work. And we need to go into the plugin processor and actually connect this. So here's our one that I have by default. This is going to be input. And then what is my range going to be? Oh, this is utility. So I'm going to make it as ridiculous as possible so that you can do whatever you need. We're going to go negative 96 to, I don't know, 48. Or like 24. And it's going to start at 0, right? 96 to 24. Yes. Okay. That. It's already pushed back to the correct thing. Okay. So that should build. Let's just make sure it builds. Yep. Okay, it's good. So that means we can start actually doing the DSP, and the gain's gonna be really easy. I'm just gonna use the JUCE gain DSP module. Okay. Okay. We need to prepare it first. So we'll do that. Go into my stream deck, prepare DSP. Awesome. Input gain module. Prepare. Spec. I'm also going to set input gain module, set ramp duration in seconds. This is going to be the smoothing that's on it. So I think 10 milliseconds is good enough. So what would that be? It's 10, right? Yes. Prepare, set ramp duration in seconds, and then also the gain module dot set gain decibels And this is going to use the value tree so that it initializes the plugin with the UI parameters if you've never opened it before. So tree state, get raw parameter input ID. I don't have to cast it, do I? It's fine like that, right? Awesome. Okay, that builds, right? Oh, I can't do that. Wait, what do I normally do? Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's gain. And that should be good. All we need to do... don't need that. Do I have... Let's see. Honestly, I use that all the time. So, text. I'm gonna put that under the block loop. Okay. Yep. And all we need to do is game module dot process, and it wants a context. JUCE DSP process context replacing float, and this is gonna be the block. And then that's it. The only thing we need to do is make sure that the dial is actually updating the module whenever you turn it. So we go into oh, I don't think I did the, yeah, I didn't do the listener. So let's do that. Parameter change is what I need. Let's see. I'm gonna take that. Just looking at the stream deck and seeing if, yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call it define and put it under the param layout so that I know it defines. And I'll do the same thing with the block. Define the block. And then param layout, I think I'm gonna add, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. go into here, get the parameter changed, and yeah, I'm gonna add that to the param layout. Oh, it's too many characters. Wait. Wait. I can take this out, this phone model thing. Take out that. Oh, I'm gonna take out that comment. I know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna put that right here and see if it prints out correctly. Pretty much. Let's see. What happens if I put another enter? Yep, that worked. So I can use that for the future. And let me just put this. This is gonna be Viator utility. I need to add the listener. Is it audio? Is it audio processor? What is it? What is it? Yeah, like I thought. Yeah. Okay. Listener. Okay. And then we need to put listeners in here. Input. Remove the listener in the destructor with that. Okay, and we just need to go in here and say if parameter ID equals input ID. Input gain module dot set gain decibels new value. And that's it, should be connected. I can go change this back to true. Then we can check it in logic. AU, my Mac. Scheme. We'll add logic as an executable. Okay. Then we can run and test it and see if we have any errors. Okay, let's see what we got here. What? Oh, I didn't put Oh, why am I trying to pull from the Steam Deck? I think that was the issue. Looks okay so far. Kind of slow. Okay, well, it worked. Oh, that's the typical logic fail. I mean, Xcode failure that happens sometimes. Man, it's being kind of slow. Okay. Oh, this isn't right. What is it called? Oh, wait. L utility? Hmm. Oh, I think it just, it wants me to restart my computer, so I'm just gonna take it out of this folder. Audio, plugins, components. Oh, it looks like it's not. Maybe I have to build first and then run because, yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's there. It just. That's what the other one was named. Okay. Yeah, we got to get rid of that. Clean. Okay. I'm gonna reset the audio unit cache. See if Logic rescans it and figures it out. Audio unit cache. Okay. Now I guess I'll run. Or at least build and then run. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's run. Oh, of course. All right, let's see what we got here. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so okay, we'll get rid of that and we'll make sure logic knows. Wait, how is that still an option? What the hell? Okay, now it doesn't exist, so I should be able to cache, redo that. Let me actually pause while I do that. Okay, so unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to restart my computer before Logic knows what to do. So I guess I'll just end the stream there. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow.